Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelodge by Wyndham Reno. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Reno, a 12-minute walk from Pioneer Center for the Performing Arts, Travelodge by Wyndham Reno features views of the city. With free Wi-Fi, this 2-star hotel offers a 24-hour front desk. The property is 400 yards from the city center and a 7-minute walk from National Bowling Stadium. Complete with a private bathroom equipped with a shower and free toiletries, all rooms at the hotel have a flat-screen TV and air conditioning, and some rooms also feature a seating area. Popular points of interest near Travelodge by Wyndham Reno include National Automobile Museum, Wingfield Park Amphitheater and Truckee River Walk. The nearest airport is Reno-Tahoe International Airport, 3.7 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.